Hey, hello. So regarding to control the core view card on the matrix feature, and we can have like multiple ways to do it. So in this video, I'm going to show like the two ways to do using the TCP IP. So here's my setting. Basically, I have like two core view output card right now, and then for the input, I have one HDMI input with two HDMI input ports. And for the controller, I'm using the LAN 2, which is have the default IP is 192.168.1.80. Then I have the line cable, and then connect to a PoE switch here. Then from the PoE switch, and now I have like another two LAN cable. One is connected to this keypad here, and one is connected to my PC. So for my PC, I can send the commands to control the core view output card. And for the two core view outputs is showing. One is my 86-inch TV here, and another one is my 4K TV below. Okay, so now I'm just going to show you how can I do the controls. Basically, the first way to do is we can just use this keypad. Okay, so the LAN cable are connected to the PoE switch. From PoE, then we can just send the command to control the core view. And I already have the buttons programmed, and basically I have like the button 1, which is to control the screen only, and button 2 is only also this screen. So basically, if I press this button, then this screen will be showing as a core view. Okay. Right, so this screen is showing as a core view, and this one still stays the same as one large with 3 small windows. I have the button 2, which is also for control the small monitor, and if I press the button, then we'll have this one as a single screen. Okay, so I have the button 3. This one is for control the large screen only. Press this button. Then we're just working as the core view directly. Okay, so it's a core view. Press this button, then you will just back to the single view. Okay, so basically with this keypad controller, I can just like manage the outputs independently and like the working layouts. And basically for this key button, I also can support the web quick controller. Okay, so here's the web quick controller on the PC, because my PC also have a LAN cable connected to the PoE switch. Okay, so here's the commands which I just sent. So for the output one, okay, I will just go back to the key setting first. So basically, you can see right now I have this button. This first button is send the out1 as a core view. Okay, we can just use the right. The screen is changing. Okay, so it's working as a core view, and then I can have the button 2, which is going to make it back to the single screen. Okay, and it's pretty much just the same as the physical keypad, but this one just web GUI based. Okay, so this is the control interface. Basically, you can suppose like 10 buttons, and then we have the command setting. So we have the output 1 as the core view, and the commands will be just sending as the hex code, and this is the commands, and the code 2 out2 as a core view, and the commands will be like this one. Here we just need the only difference is only this one is as 05, this one is 01, just because we have the out1 is on the output slot 1, but the output 2 is actually on the need to change to 5, just because this matrix switcher, and if we use the regular cards, and the cards will be like 4 ports, but if we use the core view and only 1 port. So on the second card, we will have the S5, start as 5, but this one is end from 1 to 4. Okay, this is the small notice. This is have the command setting, and this one is the device setting. So device setting basically is just for us to set up like the device which we will want to control. So for this matrix switcher, I'm just control is the default IP address is 192.168.0.80. and the port number is 5000 because I'm using the TCP IP. Okay, so this is the setting which I need to down on the web GUI of this keypad. After we done the settings, then we can just use this one to do the press the button, then we can finish the working mode switching on the output cards. Right, switching back, switching to the code view. So after we're switching back to the code view, then we can just go back to the web GUI of the matrix switcher. Then we can do the controls accordingly. Okay, I'm just going to log in. Okay, so now I have like two inputs connected. So basically, if I want to have the all the outputs are showing the same contents, so I can just have the 5 or 7, right? That's how we do the switchings. Okay, so this is the keypad. This is how we do it. So now I'm just going to disconnect this keypad. Okay, so unplug this one. After I have this one unplugged it, and another way I do the control would be just using the software, which is the UDP or TCP command software. Okay, so I'm just using the TCP and the same settings, right? And I can have it connected. After connected, I can just copy the commands from my okay. So here's the commands, like if I want to back to the single view or the 2N, 3N or quick view. Here we can see we have FF. FF stands for to all the outputs. All the outputs will be just the same. But if we change this one as 0 or 05, that means we'll just control the specific card. Okay, so now I'm just going to have like both are showing as the this working mode. I can just copy, and then we back to the software here. Okay, so I just paste the commands here. Then I click to send the commands. Then we can check out like both screens are showing the same, right? If I just want to change one of the screen, I can just back to the commands list again. Okay, so copy this one as a core view. Then we change the FF to 0, 1 for the output one. Okay, just paste here. Then we change the FF. Right, we just change the FF here to be 0, 1. Then we click send the commands. Then you will be just changing this small monitor, this small screen. Okay, click to send the commands now. Right, only this one changed as a core view, but this one is still 1 large with small, 3 small. Okay, so this is how we do the control of the core view card through our matrix switcher directly. But we just need to have a TCP IP software. And then from the PC, LAN cable goes to the matrix switcher directly. Or another way, just using the keypad like I demoed. Okay, thank you.